Hello and welcome everybody to another Hot Thumb video. I'm dedicating this video for my brother who always asks me Outlook questions and for anybody else who is looking to save time, just like this guy in the background. So let's go ahead and see them. How much time do you currently spend just trying to figure out when others can meet with you? Have you ever tried to survey 30 people and see when they all can meet? Sending all the back and forth emails and seeing when they're available and then making it all happen? That's a lot of work. Let's go ahead and see with Find Time that will allow us to send recommended times to whoever we want to meet with. They get to vote on them within that email, and then we can schedule them right away with just one click of a button. Let's go ahead and save some time. Step 1. Open your favorite browser, type in findtime.microsoft, and then enter. You will see Install Application for free. Once you go ahead and give that a click, and sign in, it's going to go ahead and download that add-in on your Outlook. Just make sure, exit out of Outlook and launch it again for it to work. I'm going to click on install right now. Yes, I'm ready. It has successfully been installed. Congratulations, your first Hot Thumb Find Time experience ever. You should be excited. And right now I'm going to go and close my Outlook and launch it again. I'll go ahead and create a new email to just test this, so I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Control-N, or you can click on New Email in the Home tab of the ribbon. New Email, and I will go ahead and add in my other self. Once I've populated my email, and you would see here on the Message tab, I will go all the way to the right to take a look at Find Time. New meeting poll. I'm going to go ahead and give it a click, and you will see Find Time add-in pops up at the right side of my screen. And I have a few options that I can go ahead and choose from. Oh, the duration of the meeting? Awesome. Spending time with the self for 30 minutes is not enough. I'm going to click on at least an hour and a half. I'm going to leave it at Pacific time. And then I can choose the date. And also at the bottom, I can go ahead and choose which times I want my other self to vote on. I'll choose all those times. You know what? All day. I am flexible, my other self. I'll click on next. And over here at the top, I can choose the location if we want to meet somewhere. I can control the poll settings. And at the bottom also, I can go ahead and just delete any other times. Oh, that's too early. I want to sleep in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my email. And the poll is created. And last step, I'm going to go ahead and send this. I'll use the keyboard shortcut, Control-Enter, and enter again. Now my other self right now is going to receive an email to go ahead and vote on this poll, and it looks something like this. My other self can go ahead and click on select option and vote on the recommended times, yes or no, yes, no, that's a lot of time, and then select vote. And now you would see I got an email telling me that the votes are happening. I have 2 votes so far here at the bottom. Amazing. And if I scroll down here within this email, on June the 5th, those times work for me and my other self, but this doesn't work. I think I want to do it as early as possible, so I'm going to choose schedule. The invite has been scheduled, and I will see it on my calendar, and then my other self will see it on their calendar as well. So let's go ahead and check my calendar. My trainer email has that invite on the calendar. My other self email also has the invite on that calendar. What? Amazing. If you think this is going to save you time, leave me a high thumb in the comments below.